Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for November. This month's theme is Be Present. First, let's see what's inside the Glam Bag. I really love the bag design this month. It's so versatile and it's definitely my style. In this month's Glam Bag, we have the Tatcha Deep Cleanse, the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, Sugar Rush by Tarte Lip Sip Oil in Fresh Pressed, Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss in Moon Jelly, and the Eyeko Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara. Now, let's open the Glam Bag Plus. Inside, we have the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, MOTD A Perfect 10 Tapered Face Brush, the FARAH 5-piece Eye Perfection Brush Set, the Violet Voss Coral Pop Eyeshadow Palette, and the Trestique Good Vibes Mascara Curler and Lash Enhancing Mascara. I also received a bonus item to try, the Matte Boss Liquid Lip Pigments by FARAH. Now that we've unboxed everything, I want to test out a few of the products we received and create a look with some of the makeup as well. First, let's do some skincare. We received some amazing skincare products this month, like the Tatcha Deep Cleanse, which I've been dying to try. I've been wanting to try Tatcha products for so long now, so I'm extremely happy to add this to my skincare regimen. We received 2 moisturizers this month, so it was hard for me to choose what to try first, but ultimately I decided on the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Cream. This is supposed to soothe, replenish, and nourish skin. Wow, it is extremely creamy and hydrating, so I'm really happy to have received this month because it is now winter and my skin is definitely suffering from being so dry. For lips, I'm going to go ahead and apply some of the Sugar Rush Lip Sip Oil before moving on to makeup. Okay, super shiny and moisturizing. I like it a lot. Okay, so I did go ahead and apply some face makeup off camera, but I do want to apply some blush using the MOTD brush. Now, I'm really excited to test out the Violet Voss Coral Pop Eyeshadow Palette. I've never tried anything by Violet Voss before, and I'm seriously loving the fact that I get to try so many new products and brands through Ipsy. I'm using the FARAH brush set to apply the eyeshadow and first taking the mini tapered blending brush and picking up this shade called Choco Latte. I'm going for a halo eye look today, so I'm applying this in the inner and outer corners and through the crease as well. Seems to be going on pretty nicely. Next up, I'm grabbing the shade called Teddy with the tapered blending brush. These brushes are a bit large for my eye size. I do have really small eyes. The eyeshadows are blending really well though. Now I'm picking up the shade called Pretty Peach with the large shading brush. These eyeshadows are blending really well and require little to no work at all, and the brushes are super soft too, so I think that both of them combined do a really nice job. Now that I've cut my crease, I'm just going to add some of that Pretty Peach shade underneath my eyes using the short shading brush, and I'm blending that out with whatever we had left on the tapered blending brush. Now I'm just highlighting my inner corner with the shade Champagne and the Fly Wings brush. Next up, we have the Trestique Mascara. I wanted to try this one over the Eyeko one because this one has a built-in lash curler. As many of you know, I curl my lashes every single time I do my makeup, so this one is really interesting to me. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so you place your eye in here, you pull the lever, and curl your lash. Well, it does seem to curl them a bit. However, it takes quite a while because it's not a full-length lash curler, but it is pretty nifty to have on the other end of your mascara. Now let's try the mascara. This claims to define and separate lashes, leaving them longer, more voluminous, and curled without any flaking or smudging. It's definitely lengthening and separating my lashes. There's absolutely no clumping going on, so I'm really liking it. It's doing a pretty good job on the lower lashes as well. To complete the look, let's add some lipstick. We have plenty of options to choose from, so I'm just going to go with one that matches my eyes. This is the FARAH Matte Voss Liquid Lip Pigment in the shade Coco. Well, it went on really creamy and it's drying down great. It's not too dry or anything, so I'm loving it, especially this color for fall. Here's the finished look using products from both the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. We certainly had some repeating products in both bags, with so many moisturizers, brushes, mascaras, and lip products, but overall I think it was a pretty great month. I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing and try-on video. Let me know your favorite product out of your Ipsy Glam Bag or Glam Bag Plus for the month of November, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.